Project code ITPY-02. Project title: COVID-19 Online Hospital Management System using Django Framework. So, in this pandemic period, as large cases are growing, so there is a need for to manage the hospitals effectively. If there are more manual work in the hospital management, so there may be a chance for the human error. So, what we are going to do, we are going to create an hospital management system which for a web application using Django framework where it handles the clinic workflows, and our project mainly concentrates on the for smooth experience of the staff, the patients and the authorities. In existing system what they have done is they have used hierarchical structure hierarchical structure to solve their resource allocation problem. Here, the method they have used is resource allocation, where they have used advanced referrals. So, the patients are categorized into two types: one, the advanced referrals, and other one, the normal patient. And they have used MDP model to calculate the high priority referrals. So the drawbacks are they have only focused on the resource allocation. They did not create like any proper hospital management system was not implemented. Proposed concept. So in our proposed concept, what we are going to do, we are going to create an hospital management system web application using Django framework where it take care of all the hospital related management like the staff managing the payments, the patients inflow and outflow, and the doctor can also see the patients who they are seeing, and the admin can also have the permission to track all the process, and the appointments and payments and the availability of rooms can also be managed easily. So proposed advantage is the scheduling and maintenance will be easy because Django provides additional security, and now the patients can easily access and check the availability according to their requirements. In existing system, they have used AR method, which is advanced referral method. So before referral, they can come and directly join in the hospital. Proposed technique in we are using CSRF token because Django provides an inbuilt security options to the forms, because only in the forms we are going to upload data, so there is more security to the data. Architecture diagram. So first the doctor, user 1 or patient considered as user 2. The doctor will register himself and he will log in. Then he will go to his home page for the doctors where they can see the patient's details like whom they are going to see and what are the appointments according to he made and what are the occurrences he committed. Similarly, for patients, there will be one register page where they can register themselves and they have a login page. After logging in, they can check the availability of the doctors and various departments in the hospitals, and according to that, they can book the slot for the doctor and they can get the treatment. So the application in real time is the decision making and availability of documents can be managed easily with this Django framework. Future enhancements. We can use AI models to automatically allot the doctors to the patients. The software we are using is PyCharm IDLE. Why we are using PyCharm IDLE? Because The PyCharm ideally the debugging tools are is present and it is more user friendly experience and it has more community support. These are the minimum hardware required for our project. Thank you.